In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill down a formula in a spreadsheet using the fill handle. Whether you're in Excel, Google Sheets, or a similar tool, the process is the same and will save you a ton of time. We'll begin by entering the formula in the first cell of the column where you want to apply it. This first cell is your template, so make sure it references the correct row and columns. If you want certain references to stay fixed, consider using absolute references with dollar signs, but otherwise, relative references will update row by row. Next, select the cell that contains the formula. A quick glance at the result here helps confirm the logic works before you copy it to the rest of the column. Now move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. When you hover over it, your cursor changes into a thin cross, a small plus symbol. Click and hold, then drag the fill handle straight down the column. As you drag, you'll see a faint outline showing how far you're filling. Release the mouse when you've reached the last cell you want. The formula is copied into every cell you covered. If you have a long column, there's a faster option. Instead of dragging, simply double-click the fill handle. The spreadsheet will automatically fill the formula down to the last adjacent row that has data next to your formula column. If there are gaps in the neighboring data, the autofill will stop at the first gap, so make sure there's continuous data alongside if you need it to travel further. After filling, the software adjusts references automatically for each row. A reference to A2 becomes A3, then A4, and so on. If any part of your formula must remain constant, lock that reference so it doesn't shift. Take a moment to scan the filled cells for errors or unexpected results. If something looks off, you can undo the fill and correct the original formula, then try again. That's all there is to it. Enter the formula once, select the cell, use the fill handle to drag or double-click, and let the spreadsheet do the rest. This simple technique turns repetitive work into a quick, reliable workflow. Before you start, make sure the cells you're filling into are empty so you don't overwrite anything important. And remember, you can always practice on a copy of your sheet if you want to test the behavior safely.